The gate is open. Oh fuck. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. Just some info on these tires, because now we can't even get inside the damn building. These are a set of Yokohama Advent Apex V601s. I got them in a 255 35 18. I believe these run a 280 tread wear. They're pretty stiff. You can tell they're high quality. Supposedly, from what I've read, these tires are very good summer performance tires that actually still perform well in the rain or on any wet conditions, which is interesting. So I'll fact check it, because it does rain here often in the Bay Area. The groove patterns are also designed for more comfort, meaning you won't get as much road noise as you would. Granted, you're not getting like EV tire levels of like road noise dampening, but should be good. I mean, I'm not expecting anything much. My suspension is already like really stiff on this car, on the annexes, so noise is pretty loud anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna run these on the new wheels, which I will reveal right now. I got them all wrapped up, but the wrapper's kind of coming off. But here we go. We have a set of gun blue, a used set of gun blue Graham Lights 57 CRs, so they're the 5 spokes. I'm not gonna go and gatekeep the wheel specs, because it's kind of the basic wheel spec that every BRZ or Subaru owner gets, which is the 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset. They go well with the tire size that I got. I actually test fitted them already with the old tires, the old shitty tires that they had on. So hopefully they'll look even better with the new tires. And then I'm gonna probably clean up the car and everything, and then see how it goes from there. Got the wraps off. Reasons I got these off right now is because I'm actually gonna swap over the TPMS sensors on the new wheels. These are the annexes and the SPC arms. Little tip for any Sumi or BRZ owners: if you want to give yourself or your alignment guy an easier time adjusting your camber from the LCA, get SPC. It has an eccentric bolt and a bushing adjustment, as opposed to like the thread adjustment. That way it's less like tedious and you can just get through everything faster. That was the first one, so whoever I happen to sell these wheels to is knocking out sensors, so yeah, fuck that guy. But now we gotta do that 2 more times. Hello there. Why don't you go introduce yourself?
Hello, I am Zachary David Dutra III.
Alright, we've got tire number 1 mounted, and now we're gonna do that 3 more times again. Got the wheel balanced as well, but god damn, this shit looks so good with the wheels. Love the groove pattern on these tires. I did buy them used though, so as you can see, there's some scratch marks from the previous shop that tried to take off some weights. Please take them to like any like aftermarket specialty like tire shop or anyone that you trust, not some like bum ass private owned one that doesn't give a fuck about your wheels. What's up guys, it is now the next morning. Got all the tires done, got the sensors recalibrated to the car, so no tire light, which is awesome. I lowered the rear and now the car looks fucking sick. It's got a good flush fitment, somewhat flushed I think. Did the drive back home and car drives awesome. These tires are awesome, these wheels are awesome. Now we're gonna go head to a little car meet. I'm gonna go to a spot first so I can just show the car, because y'all gotta see this. All right guys, here it is. These are the new wheels and tires. So like I said, these are Ray's Graham Lights 57 CRs in gun blue 2, and they're wrapped in Yokohama Advent Apex V601s. and these just look so good. I mean, yeah, that's like, yeah, I dialed that fitment, boy. It's nothing crazy, no like fender to lip type shit, but God, this shit just looks good. God, I'm so happy. If you want the wheel and tire specs, these are 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset. I'm not sure if I've said it before in this video. This video has stretched pretty long, longer than I thought it would, just because I've been pretty busy juggling other shit while working on this car. If you want the tire size as well, they are a 255/35 rim size 18. You can get any tire you want. I just went with Yokohama because I've ran that brand for super long. I think it's worth the money to spend if you want a good, good daily tire that you want to take, occasionally on some spirited driving. We're gonna head out to a Cars and Coffee. I'm pretty sure I'm late already because I woke up pretty late, but yeah, hopefully there'll be some cool cars there, and hopefully no one talks shit about this car. So we've made it to the spot. I know this doesn't look like a spot, but it's because this is actually the Cars and Coffee for a Type 3 auto shop. Not exactly sure why they call it Type 3. I want to assume it's because they like work on 3 kinds of like vehicles, which is Hondas, Mazdas, and BMW. But yeah, I mean, it seems like a lot of other people also just got defaulted to the street. Like, got this 400Z over here. Oh shit, an M? What the fuck? Damn! That shit too inside.
Real in the zone, that, zone, that, zone, that, zone, that, zone, that. Plan A, never need a plan B. We always get the plan A, never need a plan B. Plan B, plan B. Real in the zone, that. Initial D.
Take either.
Initial D.
Okay, we are at a spot now. Meat was pretty sick, lots of stuff, and I'm gonna go take some pictures. Got my gear over here in my backpack that I cried in. It's got a camera, tools and shit, GoPro. I have a Life 360, but my dad's using it. Hopefully I'll be able to use that for future content, but for now, we're gonna take some pictures. All right, and that pretty much brings this video to an end. I'm very happy with how the wheels and the tires turned out on this car. Especially after I washed the car afterwards, it just totally brings it together. I've got more exterior, cosmetic plans for the car right now. Definitely want to put a kit, or maybe not exactly a kit, possibly like a front lip, side skirts. Thinking of waiting on the Veerus aggressive rear diffuser, and then also something's gonna go on with the wing. Interior as well, but right now that'll probably bring a close to all the stuff that I've got for this car this year. I've got more maintenance stuff to go on. I do have an upgraded throttle bearing that I need to put, just because the TL70 transmissions on these vehicles are known to go out prematurely, just because of the design of the original throttle bearing that comes with this vehicle, and that does cause clutch failure, and I don't want that to happen. Just waiting on a few more parts so that we can get that done. That'll probably be its own video as well. But for now, that'll be it. thank you guys for watching. Peace.